Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this here TAKRINK 900 watt fog machine. That's a smoke machine with 16 colors RGB lights. Nice fact, there's a mini fog machine with a remote control for the DJs, for the disco, for party, for weddings, for Halloween and stage shows. The TAKRINK fog machine is equipped with 8 powerful LED lights that offer 16 colors with strobe effects. Whatever Halloween, wedding, DJ event or house party, we can create an impressive atmosphere with this smoke machine. With the independent light control, we can make any stage shine and ensure the unforgettable moments. And strong fog emissions with a long runtime. Thanks to the 900 watt high power, the fog machine produces dense, even smoke with a low fluid consumption. The 300 milliliter water tank offers enough capacity for long use. We can flexibly choose whether we can and need and want to use it only the mist mode, and only we can use the light mode, or we can use both combined. That's it for any event. And it's ready to use in just 3 minutes. All we have to do is we pour the mist liquid into the water tank, we plug in the pinions and turn on the switch. After warm-up time of about 3 minutes, the control indicator light will light up, which means that the machine is ready for operation. So we can use the fog machine safely and reliably. The operation is very simple. After each spray cycle, the appliance automatically heats up for another 2 up to 3 minutes before it can be sprayed again. So, for maximum safety, this smoke machine has a temperature sensor that automatically switches off the device in the case of an overheating. This double protection function ensures reliable and safe operation and contributes to the long life of that fog machine. And the TAKRINK fog machine is completely controlled by remote control. So we can easily adjust the fog output and the light colors from a distance and switch between the different LED colors or of the strobe effects. That's perfect for the stage, for parties, for concerts, or of course for car parties of course. For all kind of parties, The smoker overheats after prolonged use, so we could wear gloves and wait for it to cool before removing it, of course. The fog machine switches off when it reaches 135 degrees, which is its own high temperature protection. We watch out for slippery areas that have been sprayed with smoke oil. There is a risk of dropping. We clean the pipes after each use, otherwise the remains of the spray liquids can easily cause and blockage. The cleaning steps are really easy. We store the fog unit in a dry place to prevent moisture from entering into the inner parts. And then we can make again so much fun with this device, with that TAKRINK fog machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.